Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 11 of English grammar. The name of the chapter is articles. Dear students, you all know that what are articles? A and there are three articles in English language, and I have also told you that in the previous class that there are two kinds of article, definite articles and indefinite articles. Dear students, in the previous class I have told you that in the category of indefinite articles there are two articles, a and and the word the is definite article. Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed the use of a and use of an. Okay, those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the definite article, that is the. Okay, so students, just open your notebook and start writing what is definite articles. Okay, so just put the heading definite articles. Definite articles. Second kinds I have told you that definite articles. Definite articles. And there are two articles, a and an. A and an. These two articles are indefinite article. Okay, but the word the is definite article. Okay students, you keep in your mind that there are two kinds of articles, definite article and indefinite article. A and an, these two are indefinite article and the word the is definite article. Okay students, so today we will discuss the definite articles. What is definite article? The word the. Just write down, the is only definite articles. The. Okay, the is only one definite article, is only one definite article in English. Article in English. Okay, the is definite article. Now we will discuss the use of the. Where do we use the article the? Okay, so just put the heading use of the. Use of the. The. You see, there are so many points. First, write down. The is used before the singular noun represents the whole class. Just write down. First rule, the is used. The is used when a singular noun represents present. I think it is visible. Yes, the is used when a singular noun represents as there will be s, represents the whole class. The whole class. Just say students, the is used when a singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, पूरी कम्युनिटी को अगर दर्शाएगा तब हम क्या करेंगे? the का यूज करेंगे. Okay, just see the example. Just see example. The dog is the faithful animal. The dog is A faithful animal. A faithful animal. Okay, students, just see. In this sentence, the word the is used before the word dog. Okay, and the word dog represents the whole community, whole class. Okay, the word dog represents the whole class. That the dogs, all the dogs are faithful. Okay, the word dog is represents the whole class in this sentence, because it is written here the dog is faithful animal. We are not talking about a single dog, that particular dog is faithful. Okay, we are talking about the whole class. Therefore, we will use the article the before dog. Okay, so you keep in your mind that we use the article the when a singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, so this is the first rule, that we use the article the before or to represents the singular noun that represents the whole class. Okay, the is used when a singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, example you can see, the dog is a faithful animal. In this sentence, the word dog represents the whole class. Therefore, we will use before the noun dog, we will use the article the. Okay, students. Second, the same way we can see. Second example you can write down. The cow is a kind animal. The cow is a kind animal. Kind animal. It is the same example you can see here in this sentence. The word cow denotes the whole class, represents the whole class. Therefore, we will use the article the before the word cow. Okay, so here the is what? Article. Okay, we will use the article the before cow because it denotes, it represents the whole class. Okay, so just write down, students. The is used when a singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, students, come to the next point. Dear students, I hope that you all have written. Therefore, I am going to erase it. Okay, now just write down the second point. When do we use? Where do we use the article the? Just write down the second point. Just see, the is used with the name of ocean. The is used with the name of oceans, OCEAN, with the name of oceans, seas, rivers, 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 and gulfs, GULFS. Okay, students, just keep in your mind, where do we use the article the? The is used with the name of, there will be with the name of. Dear students, you will write your name also. I have forgotten to write. Okay, just see, the is used with the name of oceans, seas, river, and gulfs. For example, you can see, just see, the Pacific Ocean. Example you can write. When we will talk about a particular oceans, we will write the Pacific Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Let's see, the Pacific Ocean. And one more example we can see, the Persian Gulf. The Persian, PERSIAN, Persian Gulf. It is the name of a gulf. And suppose that we are talking about a particular river, the Ganges, 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 or you can say Gangas, Yamunas, the Gangas, the Yamunas. Okay, we will use the article the before the name of oceans, seas, gulf or rivers. Okay students, so just write down. The is used with the name of oceans, seas, river or gulfs. Okay, come to the next point. Third point. Yes students, just write down. The is used before. Yes students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have written. Come to the third point. Just write down. Third. The is used before. The is used before. You see, the is used before mountain ranges, or write down the name of unique objects. The is used before the name of unique object. Unique means that is single or special. Okay, name of unique object. Okay, just see, the is used before the name of unique object, that is only one, that is special in this world. Okay, for example, you can see, just write down the example. Just see the example, the earth. You can say the earth. Earth is special, specific or unique object. So we will use the article the earth. We will say the earth. Okay? The earth. The sun. The sun. The moon. Okay students? So you keep in your mind, etc. You can write. There are so many things that is single in this world, that is unique object in this world. We will use just before these words the article the. Okay, so just write down. The is used before the name of unique objects. For example, the earth, the sun, the moon, etc. Okay, students, just write down. The is used before the name of unique object, the earth, the sun, the moon, etc. Okay, students. So come to the next point. Point number 4. Just write down, students. Fourth point. The is used before the mountain ranges. The is used before the mountain ranges. MOUNTAIN. Mountain ranges. RANGES. Just see, the is used before the mountain ranges. Example, you can see the Himalayas. Just write down example. The Himalayas, Himalaya, the Himalayas. Okay, the Mount Everest. Okay, students. So, sorry, the Everest I have written only, but you write the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest. Okay. So just keep in your mind that we also use the article the before the mountain ranges. Okay, and there are so many things. We use the article the just before that word, that just before that noun. For example, we also use the article the before the holy books. Okay, the Ramayana, the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible. Okay, so you keep in your mind that we also use the article the before the holy books. Okay, and we also use the article the before the superlative degree. Superlative degree you have read. In the previous class we have also read the degree of comparison. Okay, in superlative degree we generally form superlative degree by adding est to the positive degree. Okay, for example, weak is there. Weak is positive degree in which we will add est, it becomes weakest. So we will use the article the just before the superlative degree. Okay students, you also keep in your mind that we use the article the before the superlative degree. Okay students, there are so many points you have written, and other points, there are so many points also given in your book. You will read it. If you find any kind of doubts, any kind of difficulties, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay students, and there are so many exercises. There are so many exercises given in your book at the page number 46 and 47. That is based on the articles. You have to fill the articles in the given exercises, in the given question. Just see students, page number 46. Just open your book. Exercise first. Fill in the blanks with a and the, whatever necessary. The students, blanks are given. You have to fill the article a and the. Okay, that is suitable according to the sentence. Okay students, you will try, this is your homework, to complete the exercises which is given at the page number 46 and 47. Dear students, one question already had completed. It is already completed in your book. No need to write. Exercise number 3 you can see. You see, insert articles wherever necessary. But here it is already filled in your book. In my book it is already filled. So no need to complete the exercise number 3. Only you will complete the exercise number 2 as well as 1st. Okay students, this is your homework. I hope that you all have understood what is articles and what are the articles. There are two kinds of article, indefinite articles and definite articles. In the category of indefinite article, we keep the article a and. And in the category of definite article, we keep the article the. And I have also told you that when do we use a and when do we use an. Okay, before the consonant sound, we use the article a, and before the vowel sound, we will use the article an. And when do we use article the? You have read today. Okay, you will do practice by completing the exercise 1st and 2nd, which is given at the page number 46 and 47 of the chapter number 11. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.